Hello dear students, today I will explain to you the solution of an interesting problem. The problem is as follows. A circle is drawn inside a square. If we multiply the radius of the circle by 5 and add 24, it will be equal to the perimeter of the square. Find the area of the square. Firstly, I draw a square. Okay. And draw a circle inside the square. Okay. We record the data in the problem. All sides of a square are equal. Side equal A. A, 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 and A. Where the radius is a half of the side. Yes. And diameter is equal 2 times radius and diameter equal side. We note radius equal x. That time diameter equal 2 times r and 2 times x. And side equal 2x. Okay. Radius equal x and 5 times x. Add 24 equal perimeter. Formula for the perimeter of the square, P equal 4 times A. A equal 2x. 2x. And 5 times x. Add 24 equal 4 times 2x. 5 times x. Add 24 equal 8x. 5x equal 24. 3 times x equal 24. X 8. I find x8. X equal r equal 8. Diameter 2 times 8. 16. Diameter add diameter equal sides equal 16. I know that formula for the area of a square is S equal square of A. I write S equal the square of 16 equal to 156 square of centimeter, and find the answer 256 square of centimeter. I hope everything is clear. Thanks for listening.